Welcome to Kids Knowledge Patch! Ever wonder how something as simple as Play-Doh can unlock the world of numbers for your little one? Grab your favorite colors and let's get ready to roll, press, and shape our way to 10. Let's start with 1. Roll, 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 and up it goes. One yellow snake becomes the number 1. Now for number 2. 2 little circles join together. Look at that twisty blue number. Can you say 2? Here comes 3. A wiggle here, a curve there. Perfect. Red and ready. 4 is a builder's number. 1 line down, 1 across, and a standing stick. Ta-da! Number 4. And 5 is full of color. Twist, bend, and loop. Can you count to 5 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at what we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So squishy and colorful. Let's swirl into 6. Round and around and up. There it is. 7's got style. A straight line, then a quick turn. Zig, zag, done. Number 8 loves circles. 1 on top, 1 below. Stack and squish. And 9? It's like a loop-a-loop. Twist it up and drop it down. 10 is our grand finale. 1 and a big round 0 together, they make 10. Amazing! Look at our Play-Doh number gallery. 10 bright, happy numbers, all made by you. Wasn't that fun? You just counted from 1 to 10 using Play-Doh magic. Try making your own numbers at home. See you next time.